Bee removal from trees. Bees often form temporary nests on tree limbs while they are searching for a more permanent location. However, some bees will also form permanent beehives in the hollow trunks of trees. These beehives may contain as many as 40,000 bees. Bees generally stay away from humans and, theoretically, you could leave the beehive untouched and not have any problems. Nevertheless, some people are uncomfortable having bees as neighbors. There are ways to remove bees from a tree. Things you'll need: sweatsuit, thick socks, heavy gloves, face mask, bee poison, such as Raid, stick or bat, scraper, detergent, bowl, scrub pad. Wait until nighttime. Bees are diurnal and so they will be in the hive at night. Put on a sweatsuit with elastic bands around the openings, a thick pair of socks, heavy gloves and a face mask. Spray the entire nest with an aerosol can filled with bee poison, such as Raid. Spray the opening of the nest if it is in the hollow of the tree. Spray the entire nest again in the morning. Keep an eye on the nest throughout the day. If you see any bees flying around the nest, repeat the spraying process. If you do not see any bees around the nest, continue to the next step. Knock the nest down from the tree with a stick or bat and burn it. If the nest was located in the hollow of the tree, scrape out the cavity of dead bees, hive and honeycomb and dispose of them. Make a solution of detergent and water and scrub the interior. Fill the hole with waste paper or expandable foam to prevent new bees from building a beehive in the same spot. Tips: warnings. Bee stings can cause allergic reactions that may be severe in some people. It is recommended that you hire an expert to remove the nest.